If you will, inviting you all as well to take deep breath along with us. For this moment of time, we are bringing upon the energy of tomorrow, 4th of December, new moon and solar eclipse, which is highlighting the energy of Antarctica, as well as many southern tips of many continents. Closing the eclipse season of your world this year, offering you an opportunity of resetting. Come back into the neutralized state. Come back and be familiar with the blackness and the dark space behind your eyes when you close your eyes. And as you do, some of you may be more aware of the loudness of thoughts, the overstimulations within you. Take such opportunity to come back into your breath. Come back into the heart, which is the center of all time and space and is your home. To know and to be assured that you are safe, to be assured that you always have the power and strength to be in the heart consciousness. And this solar eclipse acting as a window through portals of 12/12 and December solstice, which you are entering into 2022. And this offering you opportunity to experience fully what you are manifesting and state of beings and belief system that you are living by. And yes, some may feel so-called challenges, meeting of the old beliefs, releasing the quakes and the echoes of old timelines, so to speak, of insecurity and fear, which clings onto delusion of control and swim within the voices of victimhood, the voices of lack of worth, the voices of believing that you are not loved. All this to be met in clarity, all this for each of you to be met so that you're fully aware of what's within you, so that you realize from your heart that you have choice to continue to give power into fear, to continue to give power into insecurity, or to come back into your heart, to come back into the resetting. Allow yourself to reset, to neutralize your focus. Allow yourself to be familiar with so-called the void, the emptiness, which doesn't entirely mean absence of all things, but it's very much like you allow your state of being to be a clear canvas once again. And from your heart, which is your true self, you can allow yourself to imagine the highest state of being that you wish to be. And know that you are worthy to align with that state. Know that you have power to rewrite new narratives, new messages, new story within your head. So that what doesn't align with your higher state of being, what doesn't serve your heart, what doesn't serve your higher self, you're being aware, you are being conscious of, and you're being aware of the choice and where you channel your power and your focus into, so that you come into the state of the master, of the creator of your reality. For the windows of 12/12 and the windows of December solstice will highlight, will bring you upon clearer and clearer mirror reflection of where you're at and what you are manifesting, so that you know how to manifest again that aligns with your heart. So observe and allow yourself to feel, allow yourself to sit with the voices of worry, with the voices of sorrow, with the voices of grief. And be mindful of how much power you give into those thoughts. And know that you have the power. Again, power is always within you. To empower something that you have long neglected, which is unconditional love, unconditional joy. And if any of you that listening to this already on the path of empowering your joy, empowering your voices of love, congratulations. Continue to do that. Continue to honor your heart. Continue to honor your authenticity. It is too the process of coming out from secrecy, meaning any parts of you that you haven't sat with will claim their voices for you to be heard and perhaps for you to allow them to be expressed. This can be done with creativity. This can be done with loving space so that you can fully hear and engage with all parts of yourself and know again what seeds you wish to empower. It is to align with the process of the macro, the collective consciousness, that everything comes out into light, comes out from secrecy, both negative and positive manipulative systems. So, in your heart, if you have anything that inspires you to take action, that inspires you to share. And two, any voices of anger, listen to them. Any voices of fear or sorrow, listen to them. And be there, hold your own space. Know that the power is within this. When you take responsibilities of all that you feel, of all that you're experiencing, and reset them, rewrite them, rewire them. Magic's always there. You are all too becoming mindful of how you're wielding magic, how you're wielding your intention, how you're wielding and using your words, using your focus, using the energy that's flowing forever through you, and that you are. Becoming again the magi or the magicians that brings balance, that brings harmony. No longer wield your energy and your intention or words from fear, from illusion of separation. Allow yourself to align with your true power. Allow yourself to detach from delusion of control. Ease away the insistence. and give yourself pats on the back. Give yourself gratitude for how far you've come. Back into your breath. Come back into our hearts. And thank you for taking the time to tune in. Thank you for taking the time to listen. And I hope this assists you somehow. Take it as a perspective that may add onto your jigsaw puzzles, that may assist onto your path, that may perhaps inspire you of another perspective to look at things. And in December, for online, the last full moon of this year, 19th of December, we are having another shamanic journey and cacao ceremony online. I will leave the link to my website in the description. Join us. And on the 26th, following the guidance of my guides, I'm holding channeling for groups, 12 people maximum. And in this way, we can really assist you answering questions and do our utmost to assist you on your path. And the title of this group channeling will be Integration. On 26th of December, again, information will be in the link. Come and join us. Come and join so that we are aware of the process of micro individual level and macro collective level, how much we are connected, and yet again our paths are so unique in each of our own ways. Take care of your heart, come home to your heart. Lots of love. Namaste.